Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing Rudolph. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with and using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today I have my son Mateo drawing with me. Mateo, can you say hi?
Hi. In whistle language, it's like this. Hi.
Today we're gonna draw Rudolph. This is a funny cartoon drawing of Rudolph. So his head is gonna be really big and his body is gonna be tiny. And we're gonna draw here a big oval shape right in the middle of the paper. Next, we're gonna do an oval shape on the top of this oval. And it's gonna be kind of like wide and thin.
Oh, wide and...
My eyes are gonna be two oval shapes, so I'm gonna put here one. And you can put here another one, or we can do the eye like he's winking. So we're gonna do one curve. And then we're gonna do this curve double. Look at Mateo. It's gonna look like this. Double.
Or you can just do this.
Yep. And then we're gonna color this with black, okay? In this one, you can actually leave another circle here to leave like kind of like the shine of the eye, and then we can color black around that, okay? Good job. Okay, now we're gonna draw his mouth. So we're gonna draw an oval shape around the nose, okay? And it's gonna look like this. We're gonna go around, and this is a big oval shape like this. Good. We're gonna draw a big smile. So I want to start on the left side and want to do a curve. They go across and stop right here. And let's put two little lines on the sides so it looks more like he's having a smirk. And now his mouth is gonna be open. Let's draw a letter U underneath. And inside we're gonna draw the tongue just with a curve. Good. Now let's go for the head, and the head is gonna be around the eyes, and it's gonna be a letter U, an upside down letter U. So it's gonna look like this. Look, we're gonna start from the left side, and we're gonna go around, and we're gonna go down here. Perfect. Now let's draw the ears of the reindeer, and these ears are gonna be on the side of the head, okay? So let's start with this ear, and we're gonna go with a curve. And then we're gonna go back with a straight line like this. Let's do the same in the other side. We're gonna do a curve. And then we're gonna close it with a straight line. Inside we're gonna put a line that is gonna go like this. It's a little curve. Okay, next we're gonna do the antlers, okay? And so we're gonna start on top of the ear, and we're gonna do a curve line and a curve line.
When we unpaused the video, I thought we were frozen, but it was just me not moving.
And then we're gonna do kind of like a curvy line that goes around it. So look, it's gonna look like this. It goes a curve and go down. And the same side, a curve and go down. Now let's repeat this step two more times. So it's gonna be a curve and go down, and a curve and go down. Want to do the same in the other side? Oh, you did it! You finished it. Good job. So curve down, and we connect with the head. You did it. Okay, next, in between the antlers, we're gonna draw the Santa hat he's wearing, and we're gonna start doing letter U's. They go all together up here.
Okay.
And these are upside down letter U's, and we're gonna continue doing this until we get to the other side, and we're gonna connect them with the antler. Good. Now we're gonna do the same kind of curvy lines down here, and this one is gonna look like a cloud. We're gonna do all these letter U's around like this.
Under the ear.
Good, perfect. Now, we're gonna connect a curved line that goes down and behind the antler, and it connects with this fluff we have here. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna go around, and it's gonna connect here with the antler. Okay, now we're gonna imagine this line goes in behind and connects here. If you have a room in between the antler and the ear, just pass that line in behind. Yeah, right there, perfect. And now that line we're gonna imagine goes in behind the ear and connects with the fluff. In this side, we cannot see that line very good here, but we can just connect the fluff with the ear.
Oh well, I have a lot of them here, so I'm just gonna.
Good, perfect. That's perfect. Okay, let's finish the body of this Rudolph, and his body is tiny, so we're gonna do 2 small curved lines here. Good, and now we're gonna do 1 and 2 lines.
1.
Now let's do the body, and this is gonna be a line that goes down. And it goes in a little bit here, Mateo, goes up a little and in, and then goes down. Good job. Now let's do the same curves we did here. We're gonna do them right down here. Now let's do 1 and 2 short lines. These are his legs. And we're gonna connect this, passing this line, we're gonna connect this with a curve.
It looks like he's wearing pajamas.
Almost. Okay, let's do 1 more curve. 1 here, 1 here, and then the same on the bottom. 1.
Oh, who's not listening now? I'm like, hoof, hoof, hoof.
And then we're gonna do 1 line, 1 line, and this line don't touch the other side. Okay, just 1 little line, 1 little line. And the last thing we're gonna do is his tummy, and we're just gonna do an oval shape right here, and this oval shape doesn't touch any of the sides. And that's it, Mateo. We finished this cartoon of Rudolph.
Wait, but we forgot to color these.
Oh, we're gonna color it now.
Oh.
And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color.
That was a yawn, ha ha ha.
Yeah, haha.
Yawn, ha ha ha.
Okay, little artists, we are done. Here is how our Rudolph turned out. You can change some of these colors if you would like to. You can choose lighter brown. We just use 3 colors: brown, red, and like a peach color. And that's it. How you like it, Mateo? Do you like your Rudolph?
Yeah.
I think you did really good. I hope you like this lesson, and I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss more lessons step by step like this one.
Wait,
See you next time.
Yeah,
Bye.
Plus, it's not just red, brown, and peach, it's also gray.